The law of attraction is a universal principle that states like attracts like. It suggests that individuals have the ability to attract whatever they focus their energy and thoughts on. The law of attraction operates on the belief that the universe is made up of vibrating energy, and these vibrations can be influenced by our thoughts and feelings. Therefore, by practicing positive thinking and visualizations, individuals can manifest their desires and attract positive experiences into their lives. The law of attraction is not just about wishful thinking, it requires individuals to take inspired action towards their goals. By aligning their thoughts, emotions, and actions with their desires, individuals can create the life they truly want. It is important to note that the law of attraction works in conjunction with universal meditation. By incorporating the principles of the law of attraction into their meditation practice, individuals can enhance their ability to manifest and attract what they desire. By focusing on gratitude, positive affirmations, and mindfulness during meditation, individuals can cultivate a state of high vibration and attract positive outcomes into their lives.